Hello everyone, I want to teach you how to make this bead, this simple earring bead. So all you need to do this is this bead, two different bead. So you just put it the way you want it to look like. Then this is fishing line. The fishing line is the one that will serve as the rope that you are going to use to make the bead. So you have different sizes, 50, 40, 35 and 25 depending on the kind of bead you are holding. So we also have stopper. This is stopper. We use it to hold the fishing line so that the bead will not fall off. So we also have the earring hook. The earring hook is what we are going to use to attach it when we are putting it to our ear. So we also have scissors that we use to cut the fishing line, and also we have the plier. The plier is what we use to press the stopper against the fishing line. So now let's begin to take your fishing line and put stopper. When you put the stopper, you press it. You are pressing it so that when you put your bead will not fall off. It will hold your bead. So you put your bead now, depending on the style you are doing. But now we are just doing a very simple earring so that you will learn the basis of earring making. So after putting the bead, you put another stopper. Then you will now put the earring hook. You put the earring hook. So when you finish putting the earring hook, you turn the fishing line, you face it down. You face it down so that you can pass it through the stopper that you just added to the fishing line. So when you pass it through the stopper, you will also pass it through the beads. The reason why you are passing it through the bead is so that if you just leave it here now, when you cut it, it can slip away. So that is the reason why you pass it through the bead so that you'll be able to get it. So after passing it through the bead, then you make sure that you hold it together and make it to be strong. See, you are done. So all you have to do is to bring the plier. You bring the plier so that you can press it. You press it so that the fishing line will not slip away and your work scattered. So you hold it. Immediately you press it here. You are done with the bead, with the earring. Yes, it's strong now. So you see, you have to cut off the other side of the fishing line, the one that you are not needing again. You have to cut it off. Then you will now see that you will be having two fishing line, the one you used to begin and the one that you put last. So all you have to do is to take razor to cut off the one that you just shocking in. So you cut it off so that your work will look neat. So you cut it, use your sharp razor, just touch it, it will cut. Then you bring lighter to just burn the mouth. The other one that you started, we just burn it near the stopper and you are done. This is how you are to make your simple earring. You can make any kind of color that you want. So let's go to the second one. Follow the same method to do the second one.